Nowadays, there is no need to break the bank account to buy your luxury bag. My name is Jenny Rossa. I'm the founder of Re-Luxry. We buy, sell, and consign authentic secondhand designer items and accessories. In this video today, I'm sharing simple yet essential tips you should follow before buying your pre-loved designer bag. The biggest challenge when buying your dream bag in the second-hand market is ensuring its authenticity. Nowadays, counterfeiters produce knockoff bags, making it very difficult for buyers to spot them. Let's be honest, no one wants to invest in a bag without certainty about its authenticity. Whether you are a seasonal collector or new, these tips will help you to stay away from fake bags and make good deals. So let's get started. How to overcome the authenticity barrier? Always buy from reputable sellers. You might wonder, how can you identify one, especially today that everyone can create a fake social media profile or can set up a website in seconds. That's so true. But you can check their Trustpilot profile, you can check their social media profile and see how long they have been active, how long they have been posting, check their engagement, and see if everything seems normal. Indeed, nowadays it's very easy to create fake social media profiles, but it's very easy as well to spot them. Another thing you can check is if the brand has a physical store. If it does, and it's possible for you, go there and check the item, touch the item. If it's a current season bag and it's available at the brand store, go there, take pictures that will help you to authenticate if the bag is real or fake. Another very important thing you can do is checking online for authentication tips regarding the bag you are looking to buy. We have created several videos when we provide you with tips and tricks for authenticating second-hand designer bags. In some of them, we compare the real one and the fake one to show you the real difference between one and another. You can check some of the videos I'm talking about right now on our Instagram or TikTok pages. The links are in the description down below. Go and check it out. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and start following us for more videos like this one. Another important one, buy from someone who can provide you a certificate of authenticity. At Re-Luxry, we take authentication very, very serious. Every item we sell undergoes a vigorous and strict authentication item process. The last layer of authentication is done by using artificial intelligence. We work with Entropy to provide you the certificate of authenticity. But being honest with you, we just use Entropy to give you a peace of mind in your purchase. Let me explain what means giving you a certificate of authenticity from Entropy. So if you buy from us, we're going to provide you a certificate of authenticity. And perhaps if someone tells you the bag you bought is fake, there is no problem at all. You send the bag to Entropy for in-house authentication. If the bag is found to be fake, they refund you for the price you paid for the bag. If the bag indeed is real, they return the bag back to you. This is how it works. Now let's talk about a very important topic, which is the condition and price of the item. When considering buy a pre-loved designer bag, don't reject a good deal just because of its condition. Let me share a real example that changed my perspective on this. Several years ago, I was approached by a seller offering a Louis Vuitton Speedy 30. The bag had significant wrinkles on both sides from being stored in a box for several years. The deal was good, very good, but I was afraid to buy the bag and don't make profit due to the condition of the item. I looked for advice from a bag repair shop, but they couldn't guarantee the fix for the wrinkles. So they suggested to put some clothing inside of the bag and wait some time, like a month, to see if the wrinkles disappeared. And one of them told me, you can, if you want, obviously, you can try to use iron. I was like, what? Iron? On canvas? I'm not sure. He said, look, you can try and see how it goes. Be very careful. Put something inside of the bag and then use the iron. I was like, okay, you know what? Why not? Let me try it. And I did. But more than talking right here, I'm going to share with you image of the bag with the wrinkles because I always thought one day I want to share the story, what's happened, the before and after using the iron, so people can believe it's possible. I followed their advice and ended up learning a lot from their experience. The seller was desperate to sell due to the condition of the bag. I wanted to buy, but I wasn't unsure if I would make profit or not. You know what? I took the chance, learned something new, sold the bag, and made profit. That's the reason why I'm telling you, don't reject a good deal. Obviously, if it's too good to be true, it's because it's fake. I'm telling you. Do your due diligence and see first if the bag is authentic, and then if you can repair the bag. There are some leathers very difficult to repair. One of them is patent leather. If there is any flaw or if the leather gets any marks, forget about it. It's very difficult to repair. Most of the times the solution is painting the bag. But don't forget, when you change or replace something on the bag, it loses its value. Therefore, it's so important to take good care of your designer handbags so they can maintain their value. Lastly, let me tell you, the best place to buy authentic, pre-loved designer items is at Re-Luxry. Check out our website and social media profiles to see and to learn more about us. The link is in the description down below. And if you want to add anything else, please feel free to write a comment down below. See you in my next video. Bye.